Ice cream lover, Steve Christensen's my name. We are making in this video this fabulous double stuff shake for two. We got it from Andia's. It's a shake kit that she sends out on Goldbelly. We're going to put that link down below. We did watch a previous video. We did watch a previous video. We did do a previous video. We did film a previous video. We'll put that link down here below because it'll kind of show you the process of how we received it. Great packaging, great opportunity to be able to broaden your reach to your customers. So now we're going to make the double stuffed Oreo. Instructions are all on the back here. So we're going to start by dressing up our, what do you call this, mason jar. And they give you all of this information. So here we've got our icing on the rim. We're going to pop that off here and spatula a little bit on. Now, again, I've found that it's a little bit easier to do this from the top. You don't want to go too deep down so it's all over the actual mason jar itself. So a little bit of application here of the icing on the rim. Looks good. Then what you'll want to do is with your container of Oreo crumbs, you'll basically dress this. Now, the trick here is to put it in a container and not so much roll the rim in it, but more press the rim in it. So that way you're going to have some good traction on top of the icing rather than kind of rolling. You don't want to get to the point where some of this is coming out. So look at that, looks great already. So now we have our container ready to roll. Now we're going to get to the process of actually making the shake. Now the next instruction is to actually blend 1 full pint of Andia's Oreos, cookies and cream. Have a look at the inside of this. 1 whole pint per shake. It says to put it in a blender with 6 fluid ounces of milk. Now, I don't have a jug blender here, but I do have a swirl freeze. That's what we're going to use. So we're going to take our full pint. We're going to drop this into our swirl freeze machine. Look at that. And 6 fluid ounces, whoopsie, of milk. Now, we've made a shake base here. So we've actually got half milk, half ice cream mix for a really delectable, rich shake. So making sure that our rosette cap's closed on the bottom. We're going to put our shake mix in, and then we're going to go to town on our blender. Oh, won't take long. We're going to take our previously prepared shake container here, and then we're going to extract our shake into the container. Look at that. As it fills up, it's beautiful. Okay, we're going to close that down. We're going to bring it back over here and dress it as per the instructions in the shake kit. Now, as per the instructions, we have our shake ready to go. Now we're going to dress it. So we're going to take our Rich's topping, whipped topping here. It comes in the box, believe it or not. And you want about 3 swirls on top. As per the instructions, you can put as many swirls on as you want. How good does that look? But we're going to put our double stuffed Oreos on. There's 3 per shake. Or drop these out on the counter, hoping that they won't roll off. And you'll put these equidistant, that's right, I said equidistant from each other. One over here. And then you've got a little container of Hershey's syrup drizzle. Pop the cap off this. And in the instructions, it actually says, look, don't be concerned if you go over the top and it drizzles down the front. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. They even give you a monster straw to pop in the back. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. A gourmet shake through the mail via Andia's and through Goldbelly. Is the proof of the pudding in the taste? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get I'm going to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you, Andia, for sending this through. In the next video, we're going to do the, what shake was it? S'mores shake. So keep an eye out for that. But look, the link for Andia's and Goldbelly is underneath here as well. You can't tell me that that's an awesome looking shake. Whether you sell it in the store or whether you ship it out, it's a great way to be able to bring in business and actually have a lot more branding, have customers taking pictures of this, doing your marketing for you through Instagram and other visual social media needs. It gives me a 10 out of 10 here. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Keep on scooping. See you in the next video.